This is the last video for the classroom procedures, the responsibilities for students, and requirements for students in my AP European History class. So this is part 5 and the last of those videos. I just want to remind you again why we would have a Zoom meeting. Zoom meetings are mainly for students who need some extra time with me to understand material. You've got a lot of questions. You don't want to just email me all those questions. You'd rather have face-to-face Zoom time with me. And, I'm here to help you. That again is from 1 to 1:30 every single Friday. And then if, you or your parents need to sit down and have a one-on-one with me, my third hour planning is a good time from 10:30 to 11:23. We don't have to Zoom the whole time, but that is the time frame that I am available. I just ask that if you want to have any type of Zoom meeting with me, you schedule an appointment by emailing me. You let me know, which particular Friday it is, and again, you can see the time frame that we will schedule it. If that doesn't work, if we have to do something before school or even directly after school, I am flexible on certain days. So again, just let me know. Communication is so important, and I am here to help make you successful. All right, so that concludes all the procedures, the responsibilities of you, the student, and what is going to be expected out of you every single day. Next, I'm going to go ahead and talk about how we will use Canvas. Canvas is our learning system this year instead of Google Classroom that we will use to submit all of our assignments, and we will take quizzes and tests using Canvas as well. It is, like I mentioned before, your responsibility to log into Canvas every single day and follow the daily agenda. I will have dates and days of the week there for you so you know exactly what is expected of you that particular day. Again, no mystery. I'll be very clear with my instructions for all my students. You know that you have that calendar that will help remind you of the important due dates when it comes to assignments that are due, quiz dates, test dates. So that calendar is there to really help you stay organized and meet those deadlines. So use it to your advantage. At this time, I'm going to show you a couple of things on my Canvas page that you will need to start looking over and officially have these forms filled out, you and your parents, so that I have documentation that not only you have looked over everything that I have gone over, that you understand it as well. So give me just a second. I'm going to pull that up. So as you can see, this is my Canvas page. By the time we're doing this video, you'll be on Wednesday's information. So you should have already completed this first part of the module, which is for Monday and Tuesday. Okay. That getting to know you survey, hopefully you have completed that and submitted it so that I can better get to know you and understand a little bit about you and help, of course, make your year as successful as possible. For today, what I'd like for you to do is after you have finished this video that you're currently watching, if you'll pulled up where it says signed syllabus, I'm not going to click it right now, but what you'll need to do is, this is the actual syllabus itself. I'll have a link on there so that you can see it. It's actually under my class resources on my home page. Let me go back and show you. So if you are on my, hold on, I got to scroll up. If you are on my home page, which is the first page that you're going to come to, if you look down here, it says class resources. If you click on that, you will see a lot of important documents that I have posted. Okay, not Zoom. Hold on, that is wrong. Let's see if it's working. Okay, it's not. So I will have to correct that. Give me just a second. Okay, I've got the class resources button fixed. So again, we're on our home page and you click class resources. And these are some important documents that I have posted for you. So I'm going to show you what happens when you click on the course syllabus. This is what's going to come up. This is everything about our class, what we're going to cover. This right here gives you all the important chapters and units and time periods that we're going to study. And this is the correct order that we're going to study everything. So we'll start here with the Renaissance and then end the school year with post-Cold War I information. So see, it's a lot of information that we're going to be covering between now and May. Again, all of this I have gone over with you in the PowerPoint, so this is just here for you to quickly skim over. Gives you all those requirements we talked about, the class procedures, my teaching philosophy, how you're going to be graded, what to expect with tests, quizzes, DBQs, the homework, the attendance and makeup policy, tardies, the words of the wise about cheating, and of course some tips about reading when I give you those reading assignments. There's the copy of the classroom rules, Zoom expectations. I'll probably be going over those with y'all at a later time, but if I forget, there they are in our syllabus. The actual consequences and what can happen if you break any of the rules. And then of course, this is what I used to send home with y'all, printing your name and signing it and having a parent signature. But what you'll do instead is, I'm going to go back to our home page, and you are, of course, every day you will click on the learning modules. And here for Wednesday, it says signed syllabus. So it tells you after you've read those course requirements, and I'll post a link right here for y'all to, if you want to quickly pull it up while you're already on this page. This just tells you I need first and last name typed there, a yes for having read and understanding the responsibilities and the requirements of the course, a parent first and last name, and that they have also read over this and understand what is expected of you as a student. You'll click submit, and then you won't see this because I'm not on the student view, but at the top of your page, it'll say mark done. You'll mark done. So I've got a record of not only you submitting it, but that you have finished this and you're moving on to the next part of our Wednesday agenda, which as you see here, it'll be to do the same thing with the test, quiz, and assignment honesty agreement. I'm going to pull that up here in just a minute to go over it with you. Actually, I'm going to do that in a separate video, okay? Because what I want to do, I'm going to go over the parish-wide or district-wide honesty policy, and then the one specifically designed for my class. So I'm going to pull this back up in another video and show you that this is what you need to submit. It's set up kind of the same way, and there's a copy of it there again for you to refer to. You'll read over that, you'll submit it, and then you'll click the mark done, which will be at the top of your page as a student. It's not on mine because I'm not looking at student view right now. All right, so before you move on to those videos, again, I just want to remind you one more time with our Canvas that this is how you're using Canvas. Every single day you're going to the learning modules and you're going to see what is expected out of you on that particular day. Okay? I've got class resources there for you to refer to at any time. Remember, that's on my home page. So anytime you need a quick reference to these, that's where you'll find them. All right, so stay tuned to the next two videos that are going to go over the academic honesty policy and my quiz test taking and assignment submitting policy.